we have been sailing for a while. Our anchorage was in that valley behind there, and the island is hanging. It's a connection between them, and it's a cove on the other side, and that's where we were anchored for a couple of days. Now we sailed around this little lump of the end of the island. We tacked over here, or we sailed up here, and then we tacked across and are now clearing the last islands here. This closest island that you see is Frøya, and behind there is Bremangerlandet. So we are passing Bremangerlandet today, and we are heading to Måløy. So we are going out to the open ocean, and we're gonna sail past it on the outside, and we're gonna pass it on the inside heading back. It's the plan anyway. So now we are just heading out into the North Sea, and we're gonna glide alongside the shoreline here. It is gentle conditions today, about 1.1 to 1.3 meter swells. The windy app is telling us, and about 12 to 15, 18 knots of wind, depends on the spot that you're in. So yep, it's nice sailing. I'll try and update you along the way. So now we are just clearing an area with a lot of shallows and rocks and yeah, underwater skerries, and now we're just gonna fall off and glide along this beautiful piece of Norwegian coast. I've never seen it before, so yeah, I've just heard that it is really beautiful. So we'll try and visit a few places, but today we're just going past. We need to go to somewhere to stock up, because provisions are running low. So it's time to get back to civilization for a bit. So that's the goal today. In this direction you get to Bremanger, and the shoreline, I doubt you can make it out, but there are some houses along the mountainside going out to the ocean here. That is Grutle, and there is a long beach there, white, really not pretty beach it's supposed to be. It's called Grutlesand. If you go down in this direction between Bremangerlandet and Frøya, there is possible to sail through there, but there is a bridge that is 17 meters tall, and I need 20, so I cannot go underneath, so I need to go around. So that is an option if you don't have more than 17 meters above sea level. This is the ocean, and in this cut. You can see there's a sunny hillside there. That's a very special beach in there. I can talk to you a little bit more about that in a minute. But the sea state is rather confused. Sailing is gentle and nice, a bit rolly. The wind is supposed to go more westerly, but not in, I guess in about 2 hours it's at the maximum of the west reach is gonna get. But yeah, we have to use the wind that we have, and that's why we are further away from the land than we would like to be, for the sake of shooting some video. But that's life. I cannot fall off more than this. So I'm gliding along, and when we pass these islands and the beach and so on, we're gonna start thinking about heading into Morley, which is our destination for today. So this is the beach. This one you cannot reach by anything but boat. You can walk across the mountain, of course. That's about a 3-hour walk, and tent at the beach if you like. But to bring the boat in there, you need to have perfect conditions, and today it's not perfect. So yeah, we are heading in behind this island sticking out there. There's a small island behind it. We're going on the back side of that as well. So we just need to sail a bit further out and jibe the sails over and head in there. So that's our end destination. We have now made our tack and are now heading straight towards Morley, or the inlet to Morley. And yeah, everything has gone great. We sailed with the wind as far behind us as we could to make this last stint as short as possible. But yeah, there is a little bit of sea state out now. I believe there might be some rain coming, and that hasn't made the wind increase a couple of knots, not much, but I believe it's going to pick up a little bit. But we are soon inside of the outskirts here, so we expect calm seas in a short while, so it's nothing to worry about. We've sailed with a little bit further up Genoa and First Reef in the main all day, so because the prediction has been all over the place in wind strength, so yeah, just to make it easy. But the scenery is always nice. It's really difficult now to make out them stopped in the fog over there. It disappears in the clouds. But so I guess it has grained a bit since we started sailing. So yeah, I'll give you an update when we get closer to Morley. So, welcome to Morley. We have just docked the boat and tied up and had lunch. So now we're gonna go off and explore and see if there is any restaurants for tonight. So yeah, I've been here once before on the Cutty-Sark race. Race for tall ships. That's many years ago. I guess it was 2000 or 2001. It was crewman boat.